Jain students, today we are going to do try these of page number 129 of the chapter triangle and its properties. But before doing this exercise, I would suggest you people to watch the video which was sent by me on Pythagoras property. That will be helping you a lot for solving not only this exercise but also the next exercise that you will be doing. Now let me solve the first part of this. Now what you can see over here is there is a figure made, and this is symbol of 90 degree. This is 4 units, this is 3 units, and this is x. You people already know that if it is a right angle triangle, so the side opposite to 90 degree is the longest side, and that is known as hypotenuse. Now, so according to that, if you label this figure as A, B, C, okay, so this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, this is base. So hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square by Pythagoras property. Also mention the reason. Now AC square, at place of AC you can observe that there is x, so x square. At place of AB there is 3, so 3 square. At place of BC there is 4, so 4 square. It means that x square will be equal to 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, because you know that when we talk about square, so in that we multiply the number by itself. That is why over here if we talk about this 3 square, so it will be 3 into 3 means 9, and if we talk about 4 square, so 4 into 4 means 16. When you add these two you get 25. So x square is equal to 25, so x will be equal to root 25. We are doing under root on both the sides. In that way the value of this will be 5 centimeter. Now let me explain you this how we have got this over here. Now see, if you see this one, okay, now x square means x into x equals to 25 is perfect square, and it is obtained when you multiply 5 by 5. And if you are doing under root on both the sides, it means that you are doing in LHS and you are also doing in RHS. Then you will make pair, and in that way you will take 1 out of 2. So here you have got x, and here you are getting 5. That is why the value of x over here is, unit is not mentioned over here, so you will not write centimeter, but you will mention unit. Okay, so in this way you get 5 unit as the answer of this particular question. After this we are moving on fifth part of this. Try these. In fifth part I have drawn the figure, and over here if you see, then this symbol itself represents that it is an isosceles triangle. Also if you see the side, then also it is very clear, because 37 is this side as well as this side, so two sides of this particular triangle are same. That is why it is an isosceles triangle. But here we have to find out the value of x. So how will we find? In that case, because neither, see, this side also is not given that it is 90 degree, anyways it will not be 90 degree. But what to do now? So let us label this figure as A, B, C and D. Now let us take triangle. In triangle ABD, we are taking triangle ABD, where you know that if this is 90, this also will be 90. It means that AB is hypotenuse. So AB square equals to AD square plus BD square by Pythagoras property. Now AB value is 37, so we will mention 37 square equals to AD is 12, so 12 square plus BD is not known to us, so I am writing BD square as it is. So in this way you get 37 square. So 37 square is 1369. 12 square is 144 plus BD. To get 37 square, what you will do is you will multiply 37 by 37, so you will get 1369. 12 square means 12 into 12, so you will get 144. Now BD square will be equal to 1369 minus 144. In that way you will get the value as 1225. This is BD square, but we require to find BD, and thus we will do under root on both the sides, and then you will get the value of this as 35 units. BD is 35 units. Now since it is asked X, and right now we have found only this much, okay, this other part also has to be found. Now X equals to twice BD. Why twice BD? So mention the reason. Since altitude of, since AD is altitude of isosceles triangle, okay, so X equals to 2 BD means 2 value of BD is 35, and here if I have written 2 BD and if there is no sign, it means that it will be getting multiplied, and that is why if you observe I have multiplied over here 2 into 35, and thus I get 70 units as the value of X. Now after fifth part we will be doing the sixth part. Now let us consider this question in two different ways, because here what is the extent of X is not mentioned. For example, if this is entirely this, so in that case it is clearly mentioned over here. We are doing sixth part, so it is clearly mentioned that it is 90 degrees, so this will be hypotenuse, in which one of the side is 12, the other one is 5. So you can easily find out 144 plus 25, 169, and that way the value of X will be 13 centimeter. But what if the extent of X is only this much? Okay, so let us solve this question in both the ways. If it is entirely this, now A, B and C, so AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square using Pythagoras property. Okay, Now AC square means x square equals to AB square means 12 square plus BC square means 5 square. Now it is 12 square means 144, 5 square 5 5 is 25, 169. So x will be under root 169 and 13 centimeter will be the value of x. But if the x is only till here, now how you will solve this? So in that case, let us label this figure this vertex as D. If this is D, so AC you have found AC equals to 13 centimeter. You have found that AC equals to 13 centimeter and you have to find the extent of AD. So let us find out what is CD. Okay, now if we are doing this, so we observe that in triangle BCD, we observe that BC square equals to BD square plus CD square. Now BC square will be 5 square equals to BD square means 3 square plus CD square. 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9 plus CD square. In that way 25 minus 9 equals to CD square. CD square equals to 16 and the CD value is under root 16 means 4 centimeter. Now since this is 4 centimeter and you already have found that AC was 13 centimeter. See, you already have found that AC was 13 centimeter. So x over here will be AC minus CD. So in that way AC is 13 centimeter minus 4 centimeter means you get 9 centimeter as the value of that. So I hope that it is clear. If x is this entirely AC, then the value of it will be 13 centimeter, and if AC will be only x will be only AD, then in that case you will be getting 9 centimeter as the answer. Anyways, over here one thing I would like to add on over here, that this figure is correct, but the numbers given over here are inappropriate. Why? Because if this is 90, so this also will be 90, and in that way if you check, this is hypotenuse, so hypotenuse square will be 144. See, 12 square will be 144. Perpendicular square means 9 square means 81, and base is 3, so 3 square is 9. When you add these two, you don't get 144. But whatever is the question, if you solve according to that way, then this will be 4 centimeter and that entirely will be, and this will be 9 centimeter and entirely AC will be 13 centimeter. So I hope that this question is clear to everyone, and in whatever form if the question will be asked, you people can easily solve it. So thank you for watching the video. Bye.